I'm going to go over another couple more examples to help you with this. So to find 46% of 500, look at your toolkit. 46 is made out of 25%, 20% and 1%. So if you look at the building blocks, so we know that 25% of 500 is 500 divided by 4, which is 125. And then we also know that 20% of 500, to get that, you need to divide 500 by 10 and then times it by 2, giving us 100. And to find 1% of 500, all we need to do is divide 500 by 100 to give us 5. And then we add the three answers together and we get 230. So 46% of 500 equals 230. Moving on to another example. Right, here we have to find 72% of 500. We know that 72% is made out of 50%, 20% and 2 1%. So if we put our building block, that will help us. We know that half of 500 is 250, so that's 50%. And we also know to find 20% of 500, it's going to be 100. And to do that, again, it's 500 divided by 10 times it by 2. To find 1%, we know that we need to divide 500 by 100, which is 5. And to get 2%, we just add another 5. Then all we need to do is add the answers together. So 72% of 500 is 360. I hope this has helped you. We're going to go over a word problem now. So here is a word problem. 55-year-olds are asked if they believed in Father Christmas. 5/5 said yes, 30% said no. How many were don't knows? So we need to first work out what is 3/5. So we know that 3/5 is equivalent to 60 over 100, which means it's 60% saying yes. So to get that answer, we do 50 divided by 2, which is 25. And then we do 50 divided by 10, which is 5, and that's 10% of 50. And then we add the two answers together, so 25 plus 5 equals 30. So we know that 30 children said they believe in Father Christmas. Now 30% of children said no, so that's how many children is that? And we know that 10% of 50 is 5, so all we need to do is we multiply 5 by 3, which is 15. So 30% is 15 children. Now, we were asked how many were don't knows. Well, we know that 60 plus 30 is 90, so we've got only 10% left. So 10% said I don't know, and that is 10% we know is of 50 is 50 divided by 10, which is 5. And that's how you solve the answer. Hope that was helpful. Have a go. If you get stuck, you know you can email us. Take care. Bye.